Hello, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add products to Shopify from CG Dropshipping. By the way, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I will show you everything you need to know about how to import or add products to Shopify from CG Dropshipping. Now, first, you want to search for CG Dropshipping. Of course, you have to create your account on CG Dropshipping. That's what I'm going to do right now. Just click on CG Dropshipping, and this is their website where you can find millions of products that you can dropship on your Shopify store, and then you can start getting sales on your Shopify store, and CG Dropshipping will take care of everything, including shipping the product to the customer, so you don't have to do any of the work like going to post office and then sending the product or buying it from CG Dropshipping. Whenever you get a sale on Shopify, like CG Dropshipping will recognize that, and then they will send the product automatically using your own funds. Now, I will show you how you can do that in just a few seconds. Now, first, you want to create your account on CG Dropshipping. I have already done that. Like, as you can see, I have my own account right now. Now, after you create an account on CG Dropshipping, you just need to go to here where it says e-commerce platforms. As you can see here, I will show you how it looks like. You just need to click on this arrow here, and then after that, you want to click on this icon here where you can see e-commerce platforms, and then here you will be able to see many platforms, including eBay, Temu, TikTok Shop. Now, what you need to click in, what you need to click on is Shopify. You just need to click on Shopify, and then here you will be able to see where you can connect your own Shopify store to CG Dropshipping. It says here you haven't authorized any stores yet. All you need to do is you want to click on Add Store and then click on Authorize, and this is going to take you directly to Shopify App Store to download CG Dropshipping app inside your own Shopify store. Now, this is a very quick process. All you need to do is click on Connect, and then you will be able to download the app inside your own Shopify store. Now, after you are in this page, you want to click on Authorize, click on Confirm, click again on Authorize, and that's all you need to do. And it says here, authorization success. CG will help you make dropshipping business much easier. Now, what you need to do is you want to scroll down a little bit and click here where it says you can list CG Dropshipping products to your own store. Now, you just need to click on list now, and then here you will be able to find, like I said, millions of products. You just need to search for the products that you want to dropship on your own Shopify store, or the products you want to import to your own Shopify store. Now, I'm just going to search for random products here. Now, for example, Christmas here. Everyone now is interested in Christmas products. That's exactly what I am going to do. I'm going to find one of these products, and then I'm going to import it into my own Shopify store. Now, as you can see, the selling cost here is $5, and the shipping here is almost $9. As you can see, it's actually $9.96 now, and the estimated delivery time is very quick. As you can see, it's only 7 days, and most customers don't have any problem with the shipping time. Okay, you can also find products that are being shipped from United States inside CG Dropshipping, so the shipping time is going to be only 1 day to 2 days. Okay, so after you find the product and you are sure this is a good product, you want to click on list. Okay, so after you click on list here, it's going to take you to this page where you can make some changes to the product before pushing it to your own Shopify store. If you click here on variant pricing, you will be able to add your own price here. Now, as you can see, the total price on CG is going to be $14. This is including the product price and also the shipping price, and the total is $14. Now, I'm going to sell it for $30.99. That's exactly how much I'm going to sell it for. No, or like $55 or whatever price you want. And here, ship my orders to. You just need to select here United States, and the shipping method, it should be CG packet or CG packet fast or ordinary. All these shipping are going to be fast. You can always check here. Now, the shipping here, the estimated delivery time is 8 days, but if you click on CG packet ordinary, it's only 7 days to 12 days. You can always go with these and choose which one is good for you. By the way, each one has a different shipping price, so just keep that in mind. Now, if you click here on products, you will be able to see here the product type. You just need to enter here the product type here. um, as you can see here, some way to do here Christmas or whatever, and then click here the title. You can always make changes to the title. You can change it before pushing this product to your own Shopify store. If you click here on images and videos, you will be able to see here the images of the product and also the description. If you click here, you will be able to see the description. After you are done, click on list it. Okay, now it says here listing in progress. You may check the listing status in on listing. Listed products can be managed in the listed. Now this is going to take only a few seconds before you see this product inside your own Shopify store. As you can see, I have successfully uploaded the products. If you click here on preview on online store, as you can see, this is the product. As you can see, I'm selling it for $55, and customers now will be able to purchase this product from my Shopify store. By the way, if you have any questions or anything, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Should just comment below your questions and I will try to reply to you. Okay, so like I said, this is a very easy process in order to import products from CJ Dropshipping to your own Shopify store. Now you have the product. If you click here on online store, you will be able to find the product. As you can see here, if you click on it, you can make changes to the product inside your own Shopify store. If you click on products, click on the title here, it's going to take you to the product page where you can change the title. For example, you can make it a little bit smaller. You can also change the description here to whatever description you want. You can use ChatGPT to get a better description if that's what you want. Okay, after that, you want to click on save. Always make sure you save your changes, and that's exactly how you can import products to your own Shopify store from CJ Dropshipping. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.